क्लास 11 स्टूडेंट, कैसे हैं आप सब? Today I am going to discuss cash book. Okay, in cash book I will give you the concept of triple column cash book. Single column already I have discussed in my previous video. In this video I will discuss triple column cash book. Okay, accountancy. This is example 4. Okay, chapter 9. This is day 5. Day 5, why? Because already I made 4 video on this chapter, and today I am going to make video number 5. Okay, in triple column you will understand the concept cash, bank. Sorry, you will understand. In single column you have understood cash. um, Single column you have understood the basic concept. In triple column you will understand the bank and discount column. Okay, each and everything I will discuss in this video. At first you will have to understand the theory concept of triple column, then in the next video I will discuss the practical concept of this chapter. Try to understand the theory concept of this chapter. Okay, theory concept clear. In next video I will discuss practical concept. Try to understand the concept at first, then you can do it very well in the examination. Try to understand the concept. Okay, what is triple column cash book? Triple means what? Discount and bank, both will be included. That is called triple column. Okay, while maintaining the triple column the following points should be maintained. Following points should be noted. Which type of following points should be noted? When a new business is started, capital is introduced in the business. When we will capital introduced in the business, it means commencement business with cash. Then cash account debit to capital. Okay, so cash account debit to capital. So in cash you will not write cash, just you will write to capital. This is debit side and this is credit side. In debit side, okay, debit side and credit side. Okay, so here you will write to capital. Understand? To capital. Understand? So the amount is written in the cash column on the receipt side or debit side. This is receipt or debit side. You write to capital. Okay. Try to understand again. The amount is written in the cash column on receipt side or debit side. Okay. If cash is introduced, and the bank column if it is directly deposited into the bank with explanation. To capital account, if a new cash book is started for an existing business, the opening balance is written to balance BD. What? To balance BD. This is first point you will have to know about it. Second point is what? Receipts are written on the receipt side. Receipts are written on the receipt side. Cash in the cash column and check and drafts in the bank column. In the particular column, the name of the account under which the payment has been received is written. Okay. In check, receipt is not deposited in the in bank on the same day. It is recorded on the receipt side in the cash column. Receipt side in the cash column. Clear? On the date of deposit of check into bank, it is recorded on the receipt side of the cash book in the bank column on the payment side. This is point 2. Point 3 is what? Try to understand. Payment are written on the payment side. This is receipt side and this is payment side. Okay, payment are written on the payment side. Okay, payment are written on the payment side. Cash payment in the cash column and payment by check are written in the bank column. Okay, cash column and check bank column. Okay, these are the difference. If by a transaction the bank balance increase, the bank column is debited, and if the balance decrease, bank column is credited. Okay, next topic is what? Contra. What is contra? Try to understand the concept about contra. Some transactions are recorded in triple column cash book. In which column? Triple column, not single column. Okay, triple column cash book which related to both cash and bank, where both cash plus bank, cash and bank. Okay, cash and bank. Balance of one decrease and that of the other increase due to such transaction. Decrease and other is increase due to such transaction. Okay. Such transactions are entered on the both side of the cash book. Such entries are known as contra entries and are not posted into ledger file. How? Try to understand the concept at first. Which type of entry will be recorded? Which type of entry will be recorded in contra? Okay. Which type of entry will be recorded in contra? I will discuss in next video. So thanks for watching this video and don't forget to share and subscribe of this channel and don't forget to like it.